welcome to Vicky's Learning Lab. Today we are learning to write the letter U. Now this is the print video, which means that it's not joined up. If you do joined up writing, head over to my cursive playlist and you will find the cursive U video there. Right, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to trace it. Then we're going to copy it. Remember to do this as many times as you need to until it starts to look like a letter U. When you've done that and that starts to feel a bit easier, close your eyes. No, we don't do that. Before we do that, I'm getting ahead of myself because that's the favourite bit of mine. You're going to write it from memory. So see if you can remember what it looks like. And then the next bit, you see I was so excited. Pop your pen in the start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. That doesn't look too bad, that's okay. The next thing you're going to do when that starts to feel a bit easier and you've practiced it as much as you need to, you're going to practice writing the letter U on a line. So as with all of the letters that we've practiced so far, U is a middle zone letter, so it sits halfway between that bottom and the top line. And as you can see on mine, I've got the middle zone shaded. So here we go. So we start off at that middle zone, we go down and back up again, and down and flick, down and back up again, and down and flick. Now it's really important with the U that you start it at the middle zone, not in the upper zone, because look, if I show you this and we're starting off in that upper zone and we go down and around and then all the way up again and flick, what does it look like? It doesn't just look like a really tall U, it looks like a joined up L and L. So make sure your U is a little bit smaller by keeping it within that middle zone. So down and around and up and flick, down and around and then up. Don't forget to go back down again and flick. And then when you've practiced that a few times and it starts to feel a bit easier, what you can do is have a go at saying the letter sound and the letter name. So O is U, O is U, O is U, O is U. Now it's time to be the teacher. Have a look at yours, all those lovely U's that you have written, and pick which one you think is the best. I think on mine that my first one is the best, so I'm going to tick it. You have a look at yours, give your best one a tick. And then I'm just going to show you a little bit more about what I mean about the really tall U's looking like an L. So I'm going to write the name of one of my favourite places, Hull. So because it's a name, we start with a capital H. And then it's the U or U. So it's in that middle zone look. And then the next one, U, that double U. So this time we make them taller. And that is why you need to make sure that when you're writing your U or U, it stays within that middle zone. Because otherwise, when you read your writing or when other people read it, they might get a bit confused and think that it's a double L. So take some time this week to practice writing that letter U, and in no time, you'll be able to write it like a superstar. Thanks for joining me in the lab today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button And I'll see you again next week. Bye.